Hi, my name is Isaac.
Hi, my name is Z.
We made a game for CCB58 final project. It's called Tales of Raiden. This game is inspired by a 1990 vertical scrolling shooter video game, and we made it to be a dodging game.
So you control your player-controlled aircraft to dodge the enemy aircraft to survive and win the game. When you don't dodge the enemy aircraft, you're supposed to crash into the enemy aircraft and lose the game. We don't have crash working on our actual game, but we have a quick demo on how the crash works. The crash isn't easy if you have more than one pixel crashing into more than one pixel. So in this case, this aircraft is 20 by 25, so that's close to 500 pixels. So now I'm moving freely, and when I crash into the enemy aircraft, I have to check if any one of the 500 pixel is crashed into any one of the 500 pixel. So here I crash into the enemy aircraft, and we detected that the crash happened, so we cannot move anymore. So I'm gonna restart this demo to show you that crash works not only when you crash into the enemy aircraft, also when the enemy aircraft crashes into you. So I'm gonna stay on this track where the enemy aircraft is gonna come. And there goes the crash, I cannot move anymore.
So this is our start screen. It has our project name and a lightning symbol as well as an instruction to start. So after the start screen, you have to control your player aircraft using 4 different keys on the D2 board, and you have to survive the whole 60 seconds to win the game. During the 60 seconds, there will be 6 enemy waves, and enemy waves consist of different kinds of enemies where they will move in different paths, like one direction, move up and down, or switch between left and right, and some near randomized directions. At 30 seconds, our boss will come out, and if you manage to survive the whole 60 seconds, there will be a B-58 gravity bomb come out from the bottom. And when it reaches the middle of the screen, it will cause 3 shock waves and clear the whole board. And then finally, the game will reach the end game state where it will state that you win the game, and you can toggle switch 17 to restart the game.
So we're gonna flip the switch 17 to start the game. This is the first aircraft that's red and small. As the second wave is green, they move horizontally. And the yellow ones, notice that it oscillates up and down. And here comes the cooler blue enemy that moves in a more
complex directions,
complex path.
So it's harder to predict its
So it's harder to dodge. So the purple one was the boss that appears at
around 30 seconds.
So here's the counter of how many seconds into the game.
And we implement a pause function, so you can pause whenever you want, and the aircraft will stay at the position where you have paused.
So it's an actual pause.
So now I'll resume the game. And as you can see, boss moves in a circular path.
Boss moving circle.
And at 60 seconds, as I said, there will be a bomb come out, and when you reach the middle of the screen, you'll cause shockwaves.
There's 3 waves of shockwave.
And you win the game.
And you can flip switch 17 to play again. So the way we make all this complex shaped aircraft move is for every aircraft we have a module, and for every aircraft it has a path, it has a control and a data path and a draw module. So the way we make the move is because we were not using just a single pixel, we're using an aircraft. The way we make the move is we have to first erase all the pixel of one aircraft, and then to the next coordinate draw all the pixel again. So that's how we make this move smoothly.